Hey my loves, this is Sanjana. Welcome back to my channel and I'm back with another video. Well, today's video is going to be very useful for both men and women because in today's video I'm going to share with you a hair care routine for both of you. So please don't skip it and watch till the end. If you are seeing this face for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for the notification of my latest video. And as this is monsoon, this is more sort of a like rainfall with pre-hair fall season and we all suffer that. And in today's video I will share with you, well, I am not going to tell you to use like this product or this product. I will just share with you some tips and tricks so that you can reduce your hair fall. Well, there is a fact that we must face hair fall, okay? We can't just like stop like that in a click or in a magic, but yeah, we can keep it in control and we can reduce that by just following these healthy hair care habits. So yeah, let's move into the first tip is oiling. Yes, but not just basic oiling. We all do oiling in our hair, but there is a certain process to do it in a right way. Well, you have to use a good hair oil, which one suits you best. I would prefer to use like a basic coconut oil or an olive oil and an almond oil, whichever you prefer, whichever suits you. But yeah, you have to do it. If you like suffer from severe hair fall, then you have to do it at least twice or thrice a week. You have to massage it properly and drench your hair in oil, like not too much, but yeah, you know what I mean. You have to give it a proper oiling session and you have to massage it properly into your scalps and all over your hair from like roots to length. Don't leave the tips, you guys. This is very important. You have to very gently massage it and just leave it overnight and do shampoo in the morning and your hair will be much more healthier. Well, hair care pro tip number 2 is using a castor oil. Yes, a castor oil works like magic to your hair, but yeah, you have to choose the right one. There are various brands that sell castor oil in the market, but yeah, some of them are really good and some of them are really like trash, a waste of money. I have tried some of them and I really hate the Aroma Magic one because it did nothing to my hair. My hair just kept falling off. Well, first of all, I am not against any brand or like any product. That one just didn't work for me and it was just a waste of money. But yeah, I have a good option for you guys. This one is by Urban Botanics and I got it from Amazon. It is really cheap and affordable and good. Well, this is a new bottle because I just lost my previous one. Very responsible I am. Well, this one is really good for you guys. This one really stops your hair fall. I won't say like totally stop, but yeah, this will reduce your hair fall, plus it will boost your hair growth. Like I have like experienced it and I really like this product. So yeah, give it a try and you can mix it with any sort of oil, like I said before, any sort of oil that suits you and it will work like dream. Okay, so hair care pro tip number 3 is trimming your hair. Yes, but I'm not telling you to chop it all off. Yes, I know whether you're a boy or a girl, we all love a long, thick and healthy hair. But yeah, you have to trim it just the end part of the hair because we all get split ends and it is very normal, nothing to get shy about it. And yeah, it gets worsened by time. So you really have to like trim it just the end part. Like if I have split ends in my this part, I will just trim it like this much, I hope you can see. So it keeps your hair healthy. Okay, so hair care pro tip number 4 is to keep your scalp really dry and clean because in such season our scalp gets really very humid out there and it gets sweaty and we all know that damp and wet scalp can make our hair look really very thin and very weak, so it can break really easily. So yeah, you have to do shampoo at least twice a week, like that's a minimum amount you can do. And yeah, you have to do it to keep your scalp totally clean and dry and all that, so your hair will be healthy. And yeah, choose the right shampoo. Like I use the basic Head and Shoulders one. You don't have to go for the expensive one, but yeah, choose according to your hair type, what's your problem is and whether you are an oily or dry or frizzy or curly or straight or you have a like color treated hair. So yeah, choose your right shampoo and do frequently. Okay, so hair care pro tip number 5 is apply a hair mask. Yes, you have to apply a hair mask like at least once a week. That's a minimum amount. Previously I didn't do that also, but then I tried applying it, and yeah, that just changed my hair. You don't have to go for like a long spa schedule or just anything else. You can make this simple hair mask with just 3 ingredients that I make at home. I will share with you in the next clip. Step very easy, just 3 ingredients, voila, DIY hair mask which you can apply at least once a week for getting more stronger, softer and smoother hair. So yeah, it is really healthy for your hair. And for this mask I have taken some yogurt and aloe vera gel. I hope you can see it. And I will add a few drops of castor oil. This one is by Urban Botanics. I really love this one. Yeah, I have applied this much. And now I will mix it and apply it on the roots of my hair and will come. How it looks on my hair after applying the mask. Yes, it can be a little bit messy while applying it, but yeah, this is worth it because this will make my hair much more stronger, softer and smoother. You will see the difference. Just try it about once a week and yeah, you will see good result. And yes, I will keep it about for 15 to 20 minutes long, and then I will wash it with a good shampoo. Okay, so hair care pro tip number 6 is conditioning your hair. Yes, you have to use a conditioner. Many of us just skip that, and in past I also did this, but that is not at all right for your hair because the shampoo can make your hair, whatever shampoo you use, really very like dry and can be really harsh to your hair. But whatever shampoo that can be, but yeah, you have to use a conditioner to just protect your hair. Currently I am using a L'Oreal Paris conditioner, and that just helps me well. And you can go for any conditioner that just suits you. And yeah, you don't have to apply it from your roots. You just gotta do it from here, from this length to your like end of the hair. You have to apply a good conditioner, and you should go like in this motion. You don't just rub it. Okay, don't rub your hair anyway, like anyway it can damage the hair follicles and just get you more split ends. So yeah, just go in this motion and apply a good conditioner, and your hair will be much more healthier. Okay, so hair care pro tip number 7 is detangling. Yes, and I just didn't mean detangling it anyways. I have a few things to tell you guys. Yes, first of all, choose a right comb. Yes, I prefer this kind of brushes for like detangling your hair, and you shouldn't go like, it can cause more breakage and more hair fall. You should go very gentle with your hairs, like in gentle hands. You just have to hold this part. Suppose this part is very messy right now, so I should go like this. I shouldn't do this with my hair. I just should go like this. And yeah, that's how you should detangle your hair. Go very gently. That's your hair, that's your baby, take care of it. And before going to shower or just doing shampoo, you have to detangle your hair, because we all know that like wet roots can make our hair really weak. And if your hair is just like very much tangled, and if you are rubbing like, so it can cause more breakage and more hair fall. So we don't want this, obviously. So yeah, you have to detangle your hair before taking like shower or doing your shampoo. And after doing shampoo, I really made this mistake in the past, and I thought that it didn't matter, but it matters a lot. Do not comb your wet hair after doing your shampoo, or like you have applied hair mask. Do not comb any of your hair when it is wet, because it can cause like 50% more breakage. So yeah, avoid that. Only comb your hair after it is fully dry and let it air dry. Okay, so the next important thing is serum. Yes, many of us just think that it isn't important or it is an extra, but no, this is very important, as well as the shampoo and the conditioner. The serum actually plays a very important role in like keeping our hair healthy. It just adds a happy ending to our hair. So yeah, if you are done with your shampoo and the next day your hair is frizzy, you can also a serum on that day also So yeah, a serum is a must have, and it just protects our hair from like if you apply heat on your hair, so a serum is a must have. It just keeps our hair protected and sealed from the heat damage. Well, there are some thermal spray you can also use. Well, I'm getting out of track again. Yeah, coming back, if you don't have a serum, like I use the Lebanon one, and that one really suits me well. If you don't have any serum, no worry, you can just use a good aloe vera gel, like I do sometimes also. You can just take a good amount of aloe vera gel and just massage it slowly like this motion, and that will also look your hair much more like smoother and healthy and silky. Aloe vera gel is really good for our hair. Okay, so the next important tip is, yes, this is the good old trick. I hope you can guess it. Yes, this is doing braids onto your hair before going to bed. And trust me guys, this works like magic, if you want to grow your hair really fast and keep it healthy, then braids is a must have thing for you. Do it and you won't regret it, because braids just give our hair a more stable structure, so it can grow easily, and it also keeps it healthy while sleeping. So yeah, do it and you won't regret. So the next important unpopular thing is, yes, this is unpopular, nobody talks about this, but yeah, this is very important, which is washing your hair every time after you getting like wet in the rain. Sometimes it just happens accidentally, and sometimes we really enjoy it. I personally do. That is not a guilt, but yeah, this isn't healthy for your hair, so you must have to thoroughly clean it with clean water or just any shampoo that you use. And yeah, don't skip any step, like you have to have apply after conditioner and a good serum after that. So yeah, keep your hair healthy and your scalp clean. Okay, so here is an extra tip. You can go for a product. Well, first of all, this is not at all sponsored. I have bought it myself and I have used it, and I also mentioned it in my previous empty video. If you haven't seen that, I will put the link down below, you can check that out. So moving in, I was talking about this Biotic Mountain Ebony Hair Fall Treatment Serum. Well, this is called serum, but this isn't actually a serum kind of formula. It is more sort of a water-based solution. You have to apply it on your roots in your wet hair after doing shampoo. Trust me guys, trust me, this works like dream. This works like dream, and this product is bomb. The price is also very low. You can get it about on 120 to 130 rupees. This is always on sale, and by using this only for 2 to 3 months, my hair fall went from this to this. Genuinely, I'm talking it genuinely, trust me. Try this and you won't regret. So that was it for today's video guys. I hope this video was helpful and you enjoyed. If you did, then please give me a big fat thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for the notification of my latest video. Also you can follow me on social media. I will put up my ID right here so you can stay connected with me, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.